Hello everyone. Well, right now we are currently at my school and it's Friday, so right now I am at Mad Club. For those of you who don't know, Mad Club stands for Manga, Anime, and DDR. And today we are having
DDR, you know.
lots of fun. Anyways, today we are having our holiday party, so let's go inside. This is Mad Club. Hello. Pocky! Delicious. Lots of food.
Oh, did they say something?
What?
Random. Do they like say something or they just random?
I think they're just random.
Oh, please do not blow my camera. No. No camera.
Yes.
Oh my god.
As we've all been given little gifts. See? Yes, hockey. And maracas. We killed it! Woo! Strike him down! Woo! Yes, we're all very hyper because Winter Break is here! Woo! What? No. Anyways, one thing that we're gonna do is do a Har Yukai thing, and you're not. Anyways, one thing that we're gonna do is the Har Yukai dance. We're learning it for open house.
Where did it go? We're gonna get fun together and we're gonna host a parade.
Hooray!
It will be amazing.
I've never actually seen this anime, but I hear it's awesome.
Oh God!
We don't have the mirrored version, but
Does it matter?
yeah, it does matter. It's easier when mirrored.
Just do it the opposite. There's only like three things that are even
Oh,
different.
it's freezing.
Whoa, okay. That was weird.
That's,
You guys are dorks.
What?
yeah, we know. We're dorks and we love it.
We are proud of our dorkdom.
You can't even do it.
Yes,
Your hair's-
proud of our. Oh, do that again. Do that again.
You got the hair whipped. I have the hair. Wow. It's different.
I really don't know what to say to that.
Oh, sorry. Don't. Hey, this is our Santa that brought us all these awesome gifts.
Hold on, somebody give me a good
Hey.
This certainly is the Santa.
Don't do that. This is going to be on the internet. No flipping the bird. Hello. Internet stardom, people. Yes, YouTube.
Really? Tell me what the thing is gonna be, okay?
Okay. Here's our sponsor, Ms. Stokowski.
Smile, you're gonna be on the net.
Aren't I patient?
Yes, you're very patient, and we love you for that.
I don't know.
Oh, Guitar Hero!
Oh, you got 3 too.
Yes, this is another thing besides DDR that we like to play.
Yeah, besides, you know, like everybody ever had with like off.
Yeah, that's true. Look out! It's coming for you. Camera shy. I love teasing people like that. But I shouldn't. I was camera shy too once. And here's another thing that we like to do. Sometimes a bunch of us get our DDSs and just play wirelessly together.
Now you're beating a black guy. He's kicking your ass.
It's exactly how it says.
Lauren, do you have one?
And some of us just stay in the background and talk together.
Yes, because we're just so madly having fun at Mad Club.
And these are the wild guys.
I don't know where to get them.
Okay, moving.
Can you go run to your car?
If I wanted to.
Hello.
You guys know this.
It's not playing. It's such a cute little dance too. I can't wait to learn it. Yes, I want to get a people dancing to this.
I know, and you're gonna post it on the internet, and I don't like it. Chris, you're draining my soul.
Please, I want a bunch of people dancing to this.
So guys, I have muffins and ding dong.
Please.
It's already happened.
Banana or not?
I went Pyramid Head, I came in second. Don't let him.
Hey, Lauren, why don't you dance to it?
I'm going to. I have to get the music going.
Ding dong?
Die. You better dance, boy.
Better dance.
You guys need to do the dance.
We got her on camera. Ah! She's gonna kill me.
I saw, I OMG, I LOL, I ruffled, I GTFO'd.
Nick just hijacked Bobby.
You what now?
He hijacked Bobby.
Okay then. Well, I'm hungry. Pocky! Pocky, Pocky!
Something, I don't know.
Rice cracker. Look at all this food. Don't you wish you were here? The food. Ooh, Naruto! It's a Naruto cookie.
Let's see how many times I can slip the middle finger into the way of the camera when you're not paying attention.
No, no, no. No middle finger.
So far, I'm up to 3.
Can we do ring fingers?
Flipping my middle finger into the camera.
Yeah. You're on the camera, you know.
Yes, I know, but I'm ring
What about the super finger?
No way, my flies.
Oh, well, the camera's not even pointing down there.
Oh my god.
Thank God. Nobody wants to see that.
Just random flies being open. Wait, the barn door is open. Oh dear.
Oh my god, she doesn't even have a shirt on.
Mountain Dew Rider in this cup.
I just piss in the cup, you piss in the cup, you.
Ew.
Moose cup.
Hello.
Keys. I can't do this.
Huh?
Ding dong.
Danger as you
How do you talk about the Chinese ding dong?
Yeah, sing that. Huh?
Does anyone else in here in Chinese in the Chinese class? Frank, do you have the lyrics for Jingle Bells in Chinese?
Why are we singing that part?
I do. I do have.
I know how to sing. So somebody produced Police Chinese. Oh god, we are sticking with Chinese in this club.
Japanese?
Hello. No, no, you didn't get it. Yeah, I'm gonna get something to drink. I'm thirsty.
Do what we came to do.
Oh, I
Go ahead. Excuse me. Ah, knock it off.
We need to draw a penguin and then just randomly put the penguin in. Make everyone who sees it lose. Penguin.
Ah. Okay, I'm gonna stop this so I can get a drink. But not